Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here again with a story for you. And the title of the story is Funny Bunny. It is from class 2 English textbook Marigold Unit 5 and prescribed by NCERT. So kids, in this video I am going to narrate the story Funny Bunny, and after that we will discuss textbook exercise questions. So children, the chapter Funny Bunny revolves around a rabbit named Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny is a rabbit who is hit by a falling nut while he is sleeping under a tree. As a result of this, he thinks that the sky is about to fall and decides to tell the king about the same. However, due to his foolishness, he ultimately faces death along with other animals. So, let us read the story Funny Bunny and see what happened to Funny Bunny and other animals. Funny Bunny. One day, a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Ouch! The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I must tell the king. On the way, he met Henny Penny. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I am going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Henny Penny. And off they went to find the king. Soon they met Cocky Locky. The sky is going to fall, said Funny Bunny. I'm going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Cocky Locky. And off they went to find the king. Funny Bunny, Henny Penny and Cocky Locky. On the way, they met Lucky Ducky. And again, Funny Bunny said, the sky is going to fall. I'm going to tell the king. Then Lucky Ducky said, I'll come too. And off they went to find the king. Funny Bunny, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Lucky Ducky. On the way, they met Pussy Goosey. And again, Funny Bunny said to her, the sky is going to fall. I am going to tell the king. I'll come too, said Pussy Goosey. And off they went to find the king. On the way, they met Foxy Foxy. And then Funny Bunny also said to the Foxy Foxy that the sky is going to fall. We are going to tell the king. Then Foxy Foxy said, follow me, the king lives here. And that was the end of Funny Bunny. The Funny Bunny and his other friends, other animals, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Lucky Ducky and Pussy Goosey all went with the Foxy Foxy, and that was the end of their lives. So children, can you tell me what happened to the Funny Bunny and other animals? Yes, correct. The Foxy Foxy ate them all. Now let us learn some new words from the chapter. Nut, meaning a fruit with a hard shell. Ouch, meaning used to express pain. Met, and meaning is to see someone after a certain period of time. I'm, meaning I am. I'll, meaning I will. It is a short form of I will. Next new word is off, O-double-F, off, and meaning to move away. Now children, fill the correct answer. First one is, one day dash fell on Funny Bunny, a nut or the sky? And the answer is a nut. Second sentence is, Funny Bunny wanted to tell what he saw, to tell the king or to tell the cook. And answer is the king. Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king. Now next question is, who said these words in the story? And first sentence is, ouch, the sky is falling down. And answer is, Funny Bunny said this sentence. Next is, I must tell the king. And answer is Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny said these words. Next is, the king lives here. Tell me children, who said these words? Yes, correct. Foxy Foxy. And next sentence is, follow me. And these words said by, correct, Foxy Foxy. Now circle the odd one out. First is bun, sun, fun, gun, one. And answer is one, O-N-E, one. Bed, fed, led, said or read. And answer is said. He, me, be, tea, we. And answer is tea, T-E-A-T. Next is way, say, hey, pay, they. And answer is they, T-H-E-Y, they. Now children, find the opposites of the given words and make sentences. So first word is fat, and opposite of fat is thin. And sentence, she is very thin. Next word is fall, and opposite of fall is rise. And sentence can be, the sun rises in the east. Next word is start, and the opposite of start is end. And sentence can be, this is the end of the road. Next word is come, and opposite of come is go. And sentence is, you should go to your home now. Our next word is big, and the opposite of big is small. And sentence can be, there is a small ball in the box. Now children, rearrange these words to form correct sentences. We have to arrange the words in a proper sentence. So first is, on Funny Bunny fell a nut one day. And correct sentence is, one day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Next is falling down The sky is, said Funny Bunny. And correct sentence is, Funny Bunny said the sky is falling down. Next is King, I must the tell. And correct sentence is, I must tell the king. And last one is lives here the king. And correct sentence is, the king lives here. Now children, change only one letter of each word and make another rhyming word. So here are some words and you have to change only one letter and make another rhyming word. One example is already given. Well, tell. Here we change F to T. Well, tell. Both are rhyming words. Next is down. Town, met, pet, way, day, king, ring, soon, moon, bat, fat. So these are the rhyming words. Now next question is, as you can see children, there are some animals pictures. Look at the pictures and give the animals the right names. Here you can see there are some pictures. Who am I? Now you have to tell the name of the animals. Chick, hen, cock, fox and duck. So children, it is the chapter Funny Bunny from class 2 English textbook. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.